For the function f of x is equal to the cube root of 2x minus 6, evaluate the following. F of negative 1. Following the rule, f of negative 1 would be equal to the cube root of 2 times negative 1 minus 6. Simplifying, this would be the cube root of negative 2 minus 6, which would be the cube root of negative 8. Now remember, we can find cube roots of negative numbers. Since negative 2 cubed is equal to negative 8, the cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. So therefore, for this function, f of negative 1 is negative 2. Part B, f of 35. f of 35, following the same rule, would be the cube root of 2 times 35 minus 6. Simplifying, that would be the cube root of 70 minus 6, which is the cube root of 64, which is 4. f of 35 is 4. And finally, f of 15. f of 15 would be the cube root of 2 times 15 minus 6. That would be the cube root of 30 minus 6, which is the cube root of 24. Now, 24 is not a perfect cube, so I cannot simplify the cube root of 24 as a whole number. So now f of 15 is equal to the cube root of 24. We can possibly simplify this. We learn later on that since 24 is 8 times 3, then the cube root of 24 is the cube root of 8 times 3. One of our properties of radicals says that that is the cube root of 8 times the cube root of 3. And so since the cube root of 8 is 2, I can write that as 2 times the cube root of 3. So I could say that f of 15 is equal to 2 times the cube root of 3. Now, of course, I can use a calculator to find an approximation for this. Using a calculator, I can find that f of 15 is approximately 2.8845.